Have you ever wondered why carrying an object while running makes the object seem heavier than carrying it while walking? Apparently, the mass of an object increases with an increase in speed. Sounds crazy, right? Well, I don't mean that the object begins to swell massively, else that would make Usain Bolt the heaviest, but rather massiest man in the universe. So what exactly am I saying?
I'm pretty sure you're familiar with the concept of thermal expansion. In like manner, I refer to this as speed expansion. There are two key terms in consideration here, mass and speed. Mass, as we've known, is the sum total of the binding energies in the subatomic particles of a particle. However, what you might not know is that mass is relative. Rest mass is the same, but relativistic mass makes you want to lose sanity. So, I'm going to break it down. Relativistic mass is the mass measured by an observer who is moving relative to the object, and changes in relativistic mass are apparent, appearing different to different observers at moving with different velocities. Have no fear. The whole summary of this is that if we have different people carrying objects of the same mass while in motion, then their reports on the mass of the object vary as a result of their varying speed. This is because mass is a different manifestation of energy. Now, let me blow your mind.
Did you know that even if two objects are made up of identical constituents, those objects will not in general have equal masses?
I have here with me a box, two different sizes of containers, a Rubik's Cube, and a ball. Logically, the sum total of their masses should be 448 grams. However, my weighing scale gives me a different result.
The reason is that the mass of an object also depends on the position of its constituent particles, their potential energy, their kinetic energy, their thermal energy, along with the mass of its components. Introducing the term speed. Speed is that factor of motion which causes an increase in general kinetic energy of a body due to an increase in the force exerted on the body. As such, the greater the speed, the greater the kinetic energy, and in turn, the greater the mass. Now, you can add to your growing list of knowledge that an increase in speed brings about a slight increase in the general kinetic energy of a body, brings about a slight increase in the mass of a body, which cannot be seen, but only be felt.